Welcome to your first lesson of Tai Chi. Today we're going to start with some simple motions. I'll step out with my left foot, breathe in, raising my hands and letting them float up and float down. I'll shift my weight into my right foot, step out and wide with my left foot, making a hand wiping motion, a rolling back motion, a pressing motion, and bringing my hands back as if I'm closing a large drawer. We call these moves embrace the moon, ward off, roll back, press, wipe, and push. Now for today, I don't want you to worry about being really good. I just want you to move with the flow and breathe. Nothing is going to replace a teacher or private training. Just move around and breathe for today, focusing on your balance. Step back, bring your hands up, bring the hands down with a deep breath out, step in, and you're done. Now let's look at this from the side. Stepping out, focused on my balance, relaxed down, relaxed shoulders, relaxed hips. My stance does not need to be long. It needs to be wide so I feel rooted into the ground, like the tree behind me. My head grows up into the sky, as if looking for sunlight. My arms and torso are supple like the limbs of the tree. Breathing in on the way back, out on the way forward. Focus only on relaxation. Don't get caught up in perfection. Come see us, come and train with a teacher to learn the finer points. For now, just breathe. Don't twist your knees. Step back, breathe in, out, and done.